Assalamu alaikum. So today we can make an IoT based project. Actually, it is a smart home with the IoT implementation. First of all, you need to know that what is IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things, like devices which are connected through internet, so they can control automatically by humans without human effort, like smart fan, smart lights, which can automatically off and on, speed of fan like increase or decrease automatically. So these devices are actually connected with the internet. So we can start to make this project. First of all, we can make a whole structure, and then we can make connections between devices, and then we can apply the conditions to check that our system can work properly or not. So first of all, we can make a whole structure without connections. Okay. Now we put first of all a home gateway. Where is home gateway? Okay. Then we can make blocks of our home, like in our home, like different rooms and garage, and one like garden and kitchen. So we can make to show these separate parts by separate visuals. Okay, we can select any color like this and make a block different, make a separate block. In this way, we can create different blocks. We can choose different colors actually to show differently. Okay. In these blocks, we can put our devices. I can I can make this properly. Another with different color. So now we can add one more block with different color like that. So now we can name them like garage, living room, or bedroom. Okay, so from here we can name it like garage. This one bedroom. Okay, this one like kitchen. This living room. This one like garden. Okay, now we can name them with different names. Now we can add the devices. Okay, so now we can add different devices in each portion of our home. Like so, you can add these devices from here. You see the end devices, and then you can select this home icon. So you can see now the different devices here. So you can put them into the different portions. Like first of all, garage. So we can pick a garage door and put in here. Furthermore, we can add the light, smart light, and like that we can add more different devices. Motion detector. Okay, webcam. For our bedroom, we can add basic devices like fan, a door, air conditioner, a window. Light, location, light, any appliance, window, a thermostat for temperature control. Okay, that's it for kitchen. Now we can go into living room and add some more devices. Webcam for security. Okay, music there now. And this is different light, but no need. Air condition and humidity now. Thermostat is so we can put a thermostat. Okay, now in the garden, you pick any devices with your own, like I can put a webcam, right, Okay, I do this battery now. Smoke detector, but no smoke detector is no need. So that's all for now. Now our structure almost ready. Now we can add another device by which we control all these devices in our home. Uh, we can pick like you can pick laptop, phone or tablet. We choose a tablet. Okay, so the structure is almost ready. Now we can add the conditions. No, first of all we can add a connection, make a connection between devices and a home gateway. Okay, so open the home gateway by double click on it. Then we go to the wireless. Here we can give an SSID. You named it anything like we named it as a smart home. Smart home. Okay. Then we enable this WPA2 PSK. Okay. And enter a password. We can make a simple. We can give a simple password like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and that's it. Okay. And the same SSID we can use in the devices to make a connection. Now, first we connect this tablet to the home gateway. We can double click and come to this configuration, wireless. First we can enable this. Uh, Here we can give SSID, the same ID which we enter in home gateway, and enable WA2 PA2 PSK and enter the same password. Okay, okay, that's all. As you see, connection built between home gateway and our tablet. Now we do the same process in all these devices to make our connection. Here we can enable this home gateway and name we can change smart home. Enable this and enter our password. That's all. Okay, this this can work. Now we do the same thing with this. No space. We can put on home gateway. Enable the home gateway option in settings. I think I cannot enable in this device. Okay, and in this device there is no home gateway option, so we can left it. Here we can do same thing. Smart home, enable it and enter password again. In the settings we enable the home gateway option, so we can see that our connection is built. Enable smart home. Okay, so as you see, the connection can be built between devices. Enable home gateway. That's all we the same thing in both devices actually. This is a little bit time taken. I think we can enable home gateway option because we can connect these devices by home gateway. Why this cannot link? I think there is a mistake. Yes, see here, small, a very small mistake. Only a very little mistake can. Okay, so be aware from these mistakes. Okay, now it works. Okay, now we do same thing, same work. Okay, what was that? Okay, we can see it later. Think there is some mistake, but passphrase should not be empty. Okay, this mistake. Now we have only garden Okay. Now you see that the connection is ready. Okay. Now we can go to the tablet and desktop and IP configuration. That's good. Desktop again. Okay. I Now we go in IoT monitor. Takes a little bit time. Now we can again open it. Okay. Yes. We can log in here, and now you can see all the devices which are connected. Okay, so our devices can successfully show in our tablet from here. So from here we can control all the devices. Okay, so there is some problem. We cannot remember that which device belongs from which portion of our home. So for this problem, we can now change the name of our device. So minimize it and change the device name from here. Like this is garage door. So we can remember it in our tablet easily. Okay, and close. So like this, we can change their names. So we can remember easily, like garage motion detector. Okay, garage light. Okay, garage webcam. bedroom door, bedroom, bedroom fan. So that's how we can easily remember them and easily use these devices for our purpose and don't mix up. It is kitchen appliance. So we named it like a fridge or coffee machine or anything you want. You name it in this appliance. So now we can change the names according to their location in our home. So now we can again restart our tablet. Actually, no need to restart. Their names are already the names are already updated here. So now it is easy to remember any device. As we can see that this device belongs to which location. So now it is very easy. Now it is very easy to use them. Okay, so our next step is applying the conditions. Our next step is applying the conditions on these devices to work automatically as we want. So now we can start to put some conditions and check the conditions that they can work properly or not in these devices. Like we can start from garage. So we can open this tablet and go to the IoT monitor. It takes a little bit time. Now I can log in here. No need to log in because we can already log in. So in there at this time, all the devices can show us and we can see the devices. So now we can apply the conditions. So here you see the word conditions. Click on, we can click on this. Okay. Here we can add a condition. Click on add button. So in the name text field, we can name a condition that what rule we can apply, that what condition we can apply. So now we can apply the conditions. But first of all, we name the condition name a rule which we can apply in this name text field. Uh, like uh, like we want that if somebody enter into the garage and the motion detector can detect the motion, so the garage door can be open. So we name it here like garage door open by motion. Okay, so now we can we can select the device by which through which the any action can be performed. Like by the motion detector, the garage door can be opened. So we can apply the condition that if you can see here, if the garage motion detector on and is true, means it can detect any motion, then what happen? The garage door can be on to true. So this is how we can apply the conditions and click on OK. So you can see here that you can edit and remove the condition, and its name is garage door open by motion, and condition is garage motion detector is true. Action set garage door on true means if motion detectors can detect some action, then the garage door can be open. Now we can check the condition that we can recently apply. So how we can check the condition? So for this we can go into move our cursor in the garage area and press Alt on keyboard. Move our cursor on the whole area of garage which is close to the motion detector, and you can see the motion detector become red because it can detect the motion, and now you can see the garage door can suddenly open. So condition can work properly. Okay, the motion sensor can detect the motion, and it can automatically open the garage door. So our condition can be worked. So now we can add another condition like if anybody enter in the garage, our webcam can start working automatically. So now we can add this condition. So we name it here like webcam on by motion. So we can select the device by which another action can perform. So motion detector, we can select motion detector because by motion detector our webcam can work. Then set webcam, garage webcam on. So okay, condition can be applied. Now we check the condition here. Here come to the garage and press Alt on keyboard and move the cursor on the motion detector. You can see now you can see the motion detector can work, and its light become red, and you can see that our webcam can start working and its light can be on. So our condition can work. Here is another interesting thing. You have to see it. If we come to home here and go to our motion garage webcam, so what it can see us that somebody can enter into the garage and it can be on. It can show us an image like someone can enter into the garage. Okay, we can off it manually by our tablet like this. Now our webcam become think off. Okay, so this is an interesting thing. You can see we can manually off our webcam. So this condition, our second condition, can work properly. Now we check it, now we can check any two conditions on every block to verify that our system can work properly. Okay. Now we can apply another condition on kitchen. The condition is if the temperature, you can see the temperature here. If the condition is can greater than 10 degrees Celsius, and then the window of the kitchen can automatically open. So now we can add the condition here. Window open by temperature. We named it the condition here, and then we select the temperature kitchen thermostat because by this the action can perform. Okay, temperature equal to greater than equal to 10.9. We can set the window, kitchen window on. Now we can see the temperature is about 10.10 but not 10.9. As you can see, when the temperature become rise than 10.9 degrees Celsius, the window can automatically open. So this condition can work properly. Okay. So this is our IoT based smart home, and that's how we can check the conditions, apply and check the conditions.